Welcome to my studio, which is actually my home. Yes, I enjoy art so much that it doesn't bother me that my entire home has been taken over by art supplies, artwork, art surfaces. Everything here has a purpose that's pretty much art related. We're heading here into my spare room where I have my flat file art storage, and I did a video on putting that together that you can take a look at if you want to. And as we turn around here and go across the way to this closet, this is where I store the majority of my art supplies. And I'm going to do a video in a little while where I go through everything that's in this closet and show you what it is, why I have it, and what I use it for. All sorts of goodies. I've probably forgotten some of what's in here. So it'll be good to go through it for me as well as for showing you folks what I got. Over here we have my two trusty assistants. This is Theodore, and resting out on the lanai is Buddy. And then we are heading over to my trusty lightweight Costco folding table, which you'll be able to see here in a second. It has had quite a bit of use. I really love this table. I can use it up here and easily fold it up and take it downstairs, which I do often. Across the way here is my dining table. Yes, in Hawaii, we often have our dining tables outdoors on the lanai, and this doubles as my office. I sit here most days to do my computer work with the shade drawn. This is a more realistic view of what the lanai often looks like. It's usually covered with a bunch of stuff. Work and gardening. I'm working on my weed whacker over there. This desk is an old office desk where I film many of my videos. This is where I film the overhead views. This was an old desk and I sanded off the paint and let the patina rust. This contraption here is for holding the camera for the overhead views, and it is adjustable. Yes, it looks odd. I consider it a sculpture. I had to have some excuse for keeping that in the living room. This table is a combination coffee table and old kitchen table. It's had much use and damage to it every so often. I sand it and put some more polyurethane on, and I like the texture on the table. In here I store more art supplies. The top shelf has shibori supplies and dye stuff. The bottom shelf stores jewelry making supplies. Over here is where I store drop cloths and brown paper. This is where the Wi-Fi is located. Over here I have some lamp making supplies and some beeswax for batik and also for encaustic. And over here in this cabinet, I'm going to show you, I have a bunch of paper supplies. And a whole ton of sketchbooks. I sketch and doodle pretty much every single day. It's kind of fun to go back through these every so often. You'll see lots of notes in these sketchbooks because I doodle when I attend meetings. So my meeting notebooks and my sketchbooks kind of get a little bit mixed up at times. I have yellow legal pads with doodles on them and sketchbooks full of notes. Yes, there's more. I'm not going to show you all of them. I just want to give you the accurate impression that I doodle a lot. It really helps keep me creative and keep me focused on everything to do with life.